Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lavanya Ahmed. I am a student of BBA of World University of Bangladesh. In this lecture, I will show you how to calculate IRR payback discount. This start with IRR into project L and project S. These are the cash flows project L, and these are the cash flows project S. We calculate IRR. IRR equal to IRR bracket cash flows in this including initial investment. Close the bracket, press enter. That's mean IRR equal to 80%. And similarly calculate project A's. Project A's IRR equal to IRR bracket cash flows in this including initial investment. Close the bracket, enter in IRR equal to 24%. Now project S and project L, both project are selected because both project have IRR only 10%. Now this project is independently can choose or select the both project for the investment. These projects are mutually exclusive. In that case we should choose project S. Since IRR of the project S is higher than the project L, so the project A should be accepted. Now let's calculate payback period. Here is the cash flows project L, and here is the cash flows is project S. Maximum acceptable payback is 2 years. This calculate project S. So first row is year and second row is cash flows, and third row we have to calculate cumulative cash flows. Finally we found payback using the cumulative cash flows. Let's calculate the cumulative cash flows. So project L, initial investment is $100 million, so its cumulative cash flow is not change, it's same $1 million. Now cumulative cash flows for year one will be 100 million plus 10 the total cash flows in year and 19 and total cash flows in 1 year. Then press enter, write in this one for other years. These are the cumulative cash flows of project L. Now let's calculate the payback period. Equal to 1 plus first bracket beginning of the year divided total cash flow given in year, close the bracket. So the payback period equal to 2.6 years. The same way calculate for the project is first row is year and second row cash flows, and third row we can say cumulative cash flows. Payback using cumulative cash flows, and cash flows and 100 and cumulative is 100 and 100 plus 70 cumulative cash flows, then $30 million. The total cash flows in 1 year. Then press enter, write this one for other years, $40. Now let's calculate the payback period. First equal to 1 plus first bracket beginning of the year divided by total cash flows in year, the close bracket. Then we get payback period equal to 2.5 years. So the payback period for the project is equal to 2.5 years. Since PBP, that means payback period of the project S is lower than the project L, so the project S should be accepted. Now we will calculate discounted payback. Two project L and project S. Firstly, solve the problem project L and find out discounted cash flow. Let's calculate the discount cash flows for project L. We can see discount rate is 10% and maximum acceptable payback is 2 years. Equal to select this cash flow, which is the initial investment at time 0 divided by 1 into 1.1 is the discount rate, which is 10%. To be power your time, which is 0 enter. Now we click this automatically other years calculated. Now we calculate the cumulative discount cash flow equal to first year 100, second year discount for take cash for first year cumulative cash flow discount cash flows discount rate is 0 plus discounted cash flow for year 1. Other years automatically we calculate the discount payback. We calculate the discount payback period equal to 1 plus 0.7513 divided by 60.11 equal enter press. We can get discounted payback period equal to 3.19 years. At the same way calculate for the project is now we calculate discount payback. Find out discounted cash flows. Let's calculate the discount cash flows for project S. We can see discounted rate is same year both late L and S, both discount rate is 10%. Maximum acceptable payback is 2 years and equal to select this cash flows, which is the initial investment at time 0 1 into 1.1 to be power your time, which to be your time. Now we click enter, automatically calculate other years. Now we calculate the cumulative discount cash flow. Equal to first year 100, second year discount for take cash for first year cash cumulative cash flow discount rate is 0 plus discounted cash flows for year 1. Other years automatically we calculate the discount payback period equal to 1 plus 0.7513 divided by 15.03 equal to discounted payback period 2.25 years. And both project are accepted, and project is less than project L, so they both project are accepted.